at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah man, bless all man, greetings, bless all man, greetings. Good day, good day, good day. Viewers and subscribers, big up myself, welcome to Lion for TV. I do the man of pace. See it, never left it, you know. Anyway, we got the badge there, you know. The people say they want some badge, some I can order some. Only one in the world that I'm here with. See? From 2013. Big up yourself for your look. Yeah, any my viewers and subscribers in this vlog, you know Lion Foot work already. We say give thanks to life. We're not beg friend, we're not buy friend. Just keep the thing way on the battlefield. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. If you want to subscribe, please consider doing so. That's what I say, help the channel grow. Yes man, so that's one, so big up everybody man. Life is the greatest, you know. Live your life to please yourself, not to please anyone, because you will live to regret it. There's some people you help, them turn them back on you after a while when nothing not one. Zanze! Ah, man has our respect. Climax, big up yourself, my artist. Yeah man. Watch Climax from Magnum, Kings and Queens, and I was privileged to meet her in person, in flesh. 2018, where we were at Casper Studios on several occasions for days, on top of days. Zanza, and my sister, she talented, she bad. When she here with him, well, I was there and someone doing her along, you know, and she did it. You see me? Yeah man. So she draw for her book and her pen, and shatter the rum, and build up a big head spliff. I know, sir, proper meds and song, good song on the right. So she do her thing and she get her bashing, and I'm a hypocrite. If I them say them a support, I'm a hypocrite then, you see me? Who feels it knows. But anyway, big up yourself, Ghost! Ghost Rider! Why the man in America, I shut down the thing. And I see, I love to see that. Because one of them dash away. Ghost right now, they might pick up back a storm. General D, they might pick up back a storm. I love to see that. Veteran artists, them. I do them thing and I get back them shine and them glory. You see me? Lion Foot there, I wait when I look a break, you know, I wait when I look a shine, you know, so. You see me? Please, 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 me I beg you, let me in, let me in. Let me in, you see me? Yeah man, so Ghost the American, I show you some clippings. But before I show you Ghost clippings, you see me? I want to take this time out again for say, Rygin King. Big up yourself. I say DJ Chiga post a picture here. And I have to take a screenshot because you know Rygin King hasn't been himself since he got shot. You see what I say? Yeah man, and I don't know, Rygin King, if you see this brother, big up yourself. You Lion Foot a jingles now, because themselves when I get asking now. Yesterday my referee yesterday and I said the players never say, ref, foul, free kick, It was a great game yesterday, you know. The team, one of the team I play for win the if they win the league, get promoted, and the next team I play for third place. Them lose last week and drop out. Can't win the league no more. So anyway, the team I play for third place, I said we're gonna upset them today. And it was a fair game. Both teams were happy with my performance, and during the game I said to one of the players, them say, yo, if you don't ask, you won't get. Everything they were asking, ref. And I said, no, you see me? And yeah, I was saying, yeah, if you don't ask, I don't get it. They say, exactly, ref. You see me? You just have to be strong in the mind, you know, and do the right decision. You see me? But anyway, Rygin King, big up yourself, brother. I say, Rygin King is smiling. Look at the picture, man. Rygin King smiling. Even though I'm in a wheelchair, he's smiling. Life is the greatest. You see me? He may not well right now, physically if you walk, able, you know, but yeah, man, happy see him, having money see him, look on the big fat ride, look like a spaceship. I don't go home and them, man. Hey, I value millions, you know, I just need a blind. Look, I'm a King, man. You know, John Star. But Rygin King, yeah, man, I'm glad to see this. All the Rygin King fans, let me know what you think about this picture. The man happy. I'm glad to see him a smile because, you know, enough people in a film situation and end up depressed, worse. So Rygin King out of the road, I'm burn up with him a smile, and big up people that's around Rygin King and keep him motivated, elevated at all times. Zin? But anyway now, Ghost Rider. Watch them performance from Ghost Rider. Good
Thank you for your support. I love you. This is a Coast Cypher right here. This is a Coast fans. Thank you so much. Mr. Music.
Hey, yes, you're captivating and motivating the artist, them is. Yo, I wanna go die to the fans that, you know. When I tell me serious, I pull go zip, you know. No disrespect in the couple like says ghost in a push it thing. And so ghost breeze like he was said, never have to get the sausage. No disrespect still, but yes, what that boy I don't know, but big up ghost, big up ghost. You know what I mean? Watch our next performance. Watch our
I just see this all I wanna know. You see this song? It represents every woman. They bring a picnic. And it represents every man. They carry the picnic on them back and them band. They give it to a woman. Because she only have one head. Wait for you. Okay. I gotta show you our mothers. They go Celine, she's my favorite singer. Michael Jackson. But if you know this one, sing it with me. Mama, you gave life to me. Turn a baby. So bad. And mama, was a promise, a lifetime of Jersey. Cause ain't no more, there is no more, love like no more, love.
Yeah, man, so that's Ghost Rider at one party in New Jersey. I perform for the Mother's Day show, you know? And the man say, yo, this is for the people, the ladies who can't have child, give birth, and the man them who cannot make a child. You see me, with all respect, big up Ghost for that, you see it? Because I don't know. That's how you go, you know? You see it? But anyway, Ghost a performer, a real performer, you know? Ghost a entertaining people much. Hey, Ghost love wine and jokes, you know, but the man a performer, man. I tell you, the man remind me of Michael Jackson when he a perform, you see me? And if me have money, one of my dreams with a aspiration is to book Ghost and to do a song with him. But when I done this, you know, watch the next performance from Ghost. Hey, look, Ghost to America tour right now, you see me? Yeah, man. Hey, Ghost, I really entertain you. That's your bad, man. But I get a woman sound joking, you know. Wait for it. And that time Ghost come like him and force the head down there and say, never have the chocolate. Hey, we convince the Ghost love get the lollipop the coffee. No, we don't like, big yourself, Ghost. That was a real entertainment. Watch your woman and laugh. Hey, we don't like. Ghost can perform from. I look at you, I idolize them when they're another artist, I understand. Generally, the whole of them, you know. I youth, you know. I sing from my youth, you know. But I never see it as a career, you know. Cockburn pen, you know. All age, you know. Painland, you know. Back to. Used to clash with a brother named Science from back to. You see me? Yeah, man, one day I kill him, man. I say, stop get trouble, boy, stop get trouble. If you go and get trouble, I go and describe you. Your eye them big like Bembe, man. Your nose is shaped like a triangle. You really stinking like you know, eat nothing. And your mouth smells stink like a stinking. So, well, school wash. Yeah, tell you. But anyway, man, your Ghost come like him love. Stop out the girl and push the thing down like the girl and throw to the. Don't follow me, I love the foolishness. Viewers and subscribers, yeah, I'm big up Ghost, man. I love to see that performance from Ghost. Ghost up and him thing and running again and big up the promoter them and work with him, you see me? Big up the promoter them and work with him, you see it? Lion foot on the mouth, pick up himself, man. Good shots.
I am a Rygin. DJ want it. Yes, all of the gangs in Jamaica, clean up on the behavior and give on the soul to the Savior. Youths, put down the guns them now.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.